Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanna and today I'm going to be showing you how I did my ice lid topper and tumbler. I'm using Jax by Peachy Olive Glitters and my cup is already prepped, spray painted, and I'm using the epoxy method to apply my glitter. I'm just using this one glitter all over the entire cup. It is a chunky glitter, so I patted it down with a piece of parchment paper, the glitters that were kind of sticking up. I just did that off camera though. So I applied about 2 coats of epoxy on top of that, and then I was able to go in with my decal. I purchased this decal off of Etsy. It's already had the offset in the SVG, and it says if you're going to be salty, bring the tequila. The bottom layer is a white vinyl, and the top one is a holographic green one from Arteza. I layered my vinyls before putting them onto the tumbler, just because it's easier to line them up that way, since this cup kind of has a curve to it. This is the modern curve from the Stainless Steel Depot. And then I'm just making sure that I like where I put the vinyl before I pressed it down all the way. And then for the lids, I purchased the fake ice off of Amazon. It's not really called fake ice. It was a Vase Filler, a big bag of them. And then I purchased my lemon, lime, and orange slices off of Etsy. I sanded the lid down and I sprayed it with some alcohol and wipe that off, just so that the glue and ice can adhere better to the lid. And then I'm just randomly placing these little ice cubes onto the lid. So the fake ice is not really uniform, so you can just play around with it and try to make them fit how you want them to. I made sure not to cover the opening of where you would put your straw or your mouth. And I just ended up layering it all on top of each other. I did wash the cup and I've tried like pulling off the ice, and this glue seems to hold it down pretty well. And nothing has come off as of yet, so I used this Gorilla hot glue. I believe I purchased my hot glue gun off of Amazon as well. And this is how the cup came out and the ice lid. I really love how this design came out, and I hope you guys try this one as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.